Hello my good people and welcome back to my channel. So I am here again with a hair review from West Kissed Hair. I have tried their hair in the past and I'm absolutely obsessed. So they sent me this beautiful side part. I won't call it a bob, but it was a very like shoulder length kind of like grown woman kind of vibe. So I realized the lace was just so long, so I had to cut it just to see, because obviously I like to glue my wigs down with the lace still intact. So when it comes to my hairline, I have a very low hairline, so most wigs don't fit, but this fit perfectly. So I am going to glue it all the way around. So before I do that, I'm literally just putting my sideburns back because I don't want any glue to go in it. But even though I think a bit of glue went on the sides. Like the sides are just so low, guys. I'm using this glue right here. I'm sure it's Ghost Bond. I'm sure it is, but I'll list it down below. But I try to not touch my hair at all. But I can't help it. My hairline is just so low, and then sometimes I try to put it lower and then it looks like I've got no forehead. So yeah. I'm going to do the wig cap method, or the bold cap method. And child, I've tried to do this so many times. I'm still flopping, but guys, I just don't know. I'm going to start watching more tutorials. I've only watched one, so you know. Okay, so I'm gonna basically lay the wig all at once. I got lazy. Usually I do it in parts, but I felt like the glue was just gonna dry by the time I get over to the other side, so I basically laid it out all at once, and then I'm gonna cut around the ear also. But yeah, as you can see, I didn't have to pluck this lace, and you don't have to bleach it either. I would advise to bleach it just a little bit because I did realize some of the knots were showing, but as you can see, I didn't bleach it and I didn't pluck, so it's still an easy go-to wig as well, which I found very happy. The only thing I would say, which is not about the wig but is about how I did the bold cap method, is it was sliding back and you could notice it's in parts. But child, I'm trying. I'm still a beginner. I call myself a beginner because I don't know how these stylists do it. It's so flipping hard, but that is why you need an easy wig like this, because it will just make your life so much easier. Okay, so you know the struggle when it comes to me and baby hairs. Baby hairs have defeated me so many times. It actually defeated me in this one as well. I'm trying, guys. I just don't know how to do it. But I don't think I did too bad. So before I blend out that lace with some foundation, I am gonna go and curl the hair first, so that way the baby hairs can set in place. And this hair curls so beautifully. It absolutely is amazing. It didn't take too long to curl up the whole head, and I wanted kind of like loose waves. I didn't want them too tight because the look I was going for was a side part, kind of like wavy, cute. Effortlessly look, basically. And here are the final results. Absolutely love this wig. Of course, with the bowl cap method, if you do it correctly, it would come out so much more better. But as you can see, even me making a mistake, the wig was so easy to style. So all the links will be below, guys. They have it in different lengths. So yeah, make sure you check them out. But thank you so much for watching.